Hello everyone and welcome to Trickle's World. We post videos on offers, deals, tips, tricks and discounts daily. Today we are here with a video on best pizza brands in India. Today we are going to review the best pizza brands you can find in India. This is going to be an interesting video for all the pizza lovers. So are you ready? Then without any further ado, let's get started. So the first pizza that you must try is Domino's. Domino's brand came to India in 2000 and it has become one of our favorite brands for pizza. Domino's serves veg and non-veg pizza, delicious and yummy. Domino's has 5 amazing crust choices for you: hand toasted, wheat thin crust, cheese burst, fresh pan, classic hand toasted. The best part about Domino's Pizza is the offers and discounts this brand provides, like everyday value offer where you can get two pizzas regular for 99 and two pizzas medium for 1999. There are many other offers as well, like Friday offer, Wednesday offer. These special offers brings to you your delicious pizza at a super affordable price. Isn't it great? We recommend you to try Farmhouse Pizza by Domino's and Veg Extravaganza. These two pizzas are our personal favorites. Next on our list, we have Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut brand came to India in 1969. Pizza Hut serves veg and non-veg yummy pizzas along with delicious pastas. They have two crust choices for you: original pan crust and cheese max. We definitely love the cheese max. Who doesn't? Pizza Hut has a special triple treat box with a surprise for you all where you get 3 layer of treats. If you're having friends over, you can go for the pizza triple treat box where you'll get two pizzas and then two medium pizzas and then you have four garlic bread sticks and other choices. You must try Veg Exotica by Pizza Hut and Triple Chicken Feast. These two are the best selling Pizza Hut options and we personally love them. Third on our list is Oven Story. Oven Story has next level cheese pizzas and this is one of the best cheese pizzas you can find in India. They have the most premium toppings like olives, jalapenos, exotic vegetables, succulent mutton, and our very favorite classic charcoal roasted chicken. It's unique and you won't find these kind of exotic toppings anywhere else. Also on Oven Story you get 4 cheese-based choices like peri peri, chitol, El Clasico and tandoori. You can choose any of the cheese base you want for your pizzas. If you're ordering pizza from Oven Story, you must try Farm Fresh Supreme by Oven Story and Chicken Maximum Pizza. These two are our personal favorites. Last but not the least, we have Chicago Pizza. The pizza franchisee started in 2000 and it serves delicious pizza along with scrumptious pasta. There are two different pizza kits which are exactly something you won't find anywhere else: 3 pizza kit and 5 pizza kit where you get toppings and sauces. You can prepare your own pizzas using it. They have a variety of garlic bread and drinks. If you are new to Chicago pizza, you must try their pizza kits other than simple pizzas. If you are placing your order on Chicago pizza, you must try 4 cheese pizza. The 4 cheese pizza is loaded with 4 different types of cheese and it is great. Also, you can try non-veg overloaded pizza, which is our personal favorite. The non-veg overloaded pizza is something which every non-veg lover is going to die for. So that's all for today. This was our video on best pizza brands in India. For more such videos, follow Trickle's World. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Till then, bye bye.